welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today and you're ready to make this delicious whole red snapper in the oven. Baked whole red snapper. Delicious, easy, quick, and healthy as well. You can serve this with baked vegetables as well, like the red snapper, and you can bake potatoes or carrots. Anything that you want. Brussels sprouts, green beans. I served it with white rice and lentils, Dominican lentils. It was so good. Guys, I know you're gonna love this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna make it. And now let's get started with this delicious baked whole red snapper recipe. Guys, so in my bowl I have here my 3 whole red snappers. They're just soaking in water with a little bit of vinegar just to clean them up a little bit. And using kitchen scissors, I'm cutting out the fins because we do not need that. Alrighty, now my fish is nice and clean, all 3 of them. Now we're ready to season our red snapper. We're gonna start with salt, and I'm using Himalayan salt, about 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt or to taste. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. A pinch of ground black pepper, and I have here my sofrito, which is basically vegetables blended up. I have the recipe of how I make my sofrito down below in the description box. Make sure you check that out. We're also gonna need this mojo. It's a sauce, like a seasoning, that it includes like oranges, lemon, oregano, or a few little spices there. It's so good. You can find that in the supermarket. I'm also gonna use a little bit of lime juice. And with our clean hands, we're just going to make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated in each red snapper fish. And I'm going to add a little bit of teriyaki sauce, about 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. And that is it, guys. In my baking dish or pan, I added a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. That way the fish does not stick. And we're going to add the red snapper one by one. And with a spoon, we're going to add the rest of our seasoning on top of each fish. And that's it, guys. Seriously, so good. And I did want to add a little bit of vegetables. So I am going to add red and white onions. And to your liking, of course. We're just going to put it right on top of this red snapper. And I'm also going to add a little bit of yellow and red bell peppers on the top as well. A little bit more of lemon juice on top. And that is it. We're gonna bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until our red snapper is fully cooked. Guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys can make it as well. And I'll see you on my next video.